Welcome to the question number 17th of SQL 50 series from LeetCode. So guys, here we have two tables. One is the project table and the other one is the employee table. So the project table contains information about projects and the employees working on them. It has two columns, project ID and the employee ID. Project ID is nothing but the ID of the project, and this is the ID of the employee. In the second table, the employees table, it has the information about employees. So it has three columns. This is the employee ID, which was also present in our project table, and this is the name of the employee, and this is the experience years, which is nothing but the years of experience that the employee has. Now we are given that it's guaranteed that experience years is not null. So this is something which is already guaranteed, and each row of this table contains information about one employee that we have already discussed, and we want to find the average experience years of all the employees for each particular project. That means we want to find our objective is to write a query that calculates the average experience years of all the employees working on each particular project. So this average should be rounded to two digits. It's already given here. So let's understand more with the help of sample input and sample output table. We have the project ID and employee ID column, and the employee ID column name and experience years column from the employee table. So we will just join both these tables on our employee ID column, and we want to query our project ID, so we can group by on the project ID. Why group by? Because we want to group all employee records working on the same project together, so that's why we will be doing the group by clause on the project ID, and then we will simply calculate the average of experience years. So that means we will make use of the aggregation function, which is nothing but average aggregation function. So we'll simply use the average function on the experience years column from the employee table here, since we want to find the average for each project. So we need to group the will group the data on project ID, and we'll just put the average function on experience years column. So guys, let's begin writing the query now. Select. I'll simply join both the tables, which is the project table. So my first table is the project table, giving it as alias P, and I'll do the inner join here. My second table is the employee table, and I'm giving it as alias E, and I'll do the join operation on the common column, which is my employee ID column. So on P dot employee ID is equal to E dot employee ID. So I have joined my two tables on the employee ID column. Later on, I just want to query. I since I said that I will be doing group by on my project ID. Since I want to group all the employees records working on the same project together, so I just did group by project ID, and I want the details of project ID and the average of experience years. So E dot experience years, and I'll just name this column as average years, which is there in our output. See here. Also, we want to do it to the round it to two decimal places. So I'll just round this to two decimal places. So that's all we had to do. Let's run the query now. It says unknown column product ID product sorry project ID I did. Sorry, product ID I wrote here. So this is project ID. Project. I just did it by mistake, guys. Apologies for that. Project ID, just run. Yeah, so here we have got the respective project specific project IDs and the respective average years of experience for each project. So I hope the solution is helpful to you guys. Thank you.